Were you Jamarcus Zarate Jones?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you get someone hired?
Well, I talked to 3 lawyers.
Okay.
Lori,
Keep in touch with the boss.
first, Roy Parenzo,
Mm-hmm.
Corey Crenshaw, and Keith John.
Okay. And so where are you on being able to get someone hired? Pull your pants up. Just wearing a belt doesn't do it. Pull them all the way up so that I can't see your underwear sticking out the front. And nobody wants to see it sticking out the back. You understand? Okay. So where are you on being able to get someone hired?
I'm not. Is it okay?
Are you working?
No.
Why aren't you working?
Is these charges currently?
Okay. Were you working before?
Yes.
How old are you?
I'm 21.
Okay. So you're on, have you been going to probation like you're supposed to?
Yes, ma'am.
So where do you live? Who pays your bills?
Family. It was family.
Okay. Hi, good morning.
Good morning. I just wanted to make you aware, the charges haven't been filed yet. We sent over, a hearing last week, second in there, because he was arrested again here in Jefferson County, so he has 2 more charges that should be filed.
What'd you get arrested for?
Just being with the wrong crowd.
Sounds like you are the wrong crowd. You're not? You're on probation for theft of a firearm and you've been arrested twice now? Since this, right? Is that what you're saying?
Yes, well, he was arrested in March, but he was also arrested, June the 18th for possession of marijuana and unlawful.
Have a seat in the jury box. We're going to have you tested and then I'm going to decide what to do. So you only tested positive for amphetamines and it looks like you have a prescription, but I want to go through real quick.
I don't know.
Hold on. Let me read this police report real quick about your last arrest. All right. So, Mr. Jones, obviously, hold on a second. You're on probation for theft of a firearm. You've been arrested, just last week before last, and were able, I guess, did you make a bond in the new case?
Yes, ma'am.
Because you're on probation for the felony offense of theft of a firearm, and because you were arrested in a vehicle that looks like, allegedly, obviously you've not been charged with it, but there was marijuana in the car near the seat where you were sitting. It smelled like y'all had been smoking marijuana, and there was a gun in the glove box where you were sitting. So I'm going to find that the bond that I set in the motion to revoke your probation case is not in the best interest of our community. I'm going to find that because you've been arrested while you were on that bond, that it is appropriate for me to raise that bond. And at this time, I'm raising your bond to $200,000. You can go back with the bailiff.
Yes.
Hand it to the bailiff.
Trying. This is.
You got to try harder than being in a car with a gun and marijuana while you're on probation. You've got a motion to revoke your probation.
Understand, sir.
Go with the bailiff. We'll figure it out. We'll get you a lawyer appointed and we'll figure it out. Good morning. Are you Jason Watkins? And will your client waive the formal reading of the indictment?
He will, Your Honor.
Mr. Watkins, in cause number 23, DCCR 0198, you're charged with the second-degree felony offense of sexual assault of a child from December 25th of 2022. And how do you plead to that charge? Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily? Speak up, please.
Yes, ma'am.
And are you pleading guilty because you did what they charged you with? I have here on the computer some documents that have your signature on them that the state has marked as exhibit number 1. Before you signed these, did you go over them with Mr. Rojas?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you fully understand them?
I fully understand.
And do you understand, if I follow the agreement that you've made with the district attorney, that you will be waiving or giving up any right to appeal?
Understood.
Also, do you understand, if you're not a U.S. citizen, that a plea of guilty or no contest may result in your deportation, exclusion?
Hold on, this moment matters. The judge is laying out serious consequences: deportation, lifelong registration, and permanent legal limits. This isn't just paperwork. It's a life-changing decision. But be honest. Do defendants truly understand what they're agreeing to here?
Exclusion from admission to the country or denial of naturalization under federal law. And thank you. I have to ask everyone that. And did y'all fill out the?
I'm just thinking about that, just we did not.
Okay, so on these documents, is some information about sex offender registration requirements. And do you understand that as a result of this plea, that you will be required to register as a sex offender? Also, there will be another document that you guys need to sign that just has that specific information on about what those rules are. So when we're finished today, you and Mr. Rojas need to go over that, and I'll just need your signature on that as well, okay? Okay. State tenders number 1.
No objection.
It's admitted. Is there any evidence that Mr. Watkins is not competent?
No, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Watkins, I'm going to find that you entered your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily. Find that you're mentally competent and you understand the nature and the consequences of that plea. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and at this time find you guilty of sexual assault of a child. Sentence you in accordance with your agreement to a term of 10 years in the Institutional Division of the Texas Department of Corrections. You will receive credit on that sentence for any time that you've been in custody that the law gives you the right to receive. I'm handing you the trial court certification that shows this was an agreement that I followed, and so you've waived your right to appeal. I have also handed you a written admonishment regarding your ineligibility to possess a firearm or ammunition. Because of the judgment entered against you, you're ineligible under Texas law to possess a firearm or ammunition. Possession of a firearm or ammunition could lead to charges against you. Firearm is a legal term, and you should read the written admonishment I provide you to see what devices qualify as a firearm. If you have questions about the laws that make you ineligible to possess a firearm or ammunition, or about how long that lasts, you can talk to Mr. Rojas. All right, good luck to you, sir, and y'all get that that one more paper signed for me, okay? Thank you.
And just like that, it's done. 10 years, lifelong consequences, and no trial. Everything moves fast once a plea is locked in. But here's the real question. Was this justice efficiently served? Or did something important get left behind?